Hi, the following video you see is not the final product system. The final product of the system is a four-way classifier that segregates metal waste, plastic, and other categories of waste. The following video you see is a two-way classifier that we built some days ago for a hackathon, and that was the motivation for the four-way classifier. And the work for the four-way classifier is almost done. We just have to integrate everything with the Raspberry Pi. We have built the system. We have built the entire bin with plywood, and we you know may wrote code for every we have written codes for every servo and every sensor involved. So the backend part is completely over. The backend APIs are completely done. So we just have to integrate everything with the Raspberry Pi. That part is still remaining, and uh, we we can guarantee that we can finish the product. We can finish the product today's 9, so we can finish the product by 12th March. So yeah, we just wanted to make sure that the following video is not the final product of the system. It's just an overview of the system. It for the two-way classifier, and the final product is the four-way classifier, and it would work just as fine as this one. Thank you.
This is a submission video for Smart Sort, as you can see here. So what happens is that the Raspberry Pi you see here, which connects all the various components involved. The various components involved are HX71 module, as you see here, which recognizes a change in weight whenever something is put on the surface, and this change in weight triggers the activity of the motor. We have programmed the motor in such a way that when a given waste is non-biodegradable, this particular motor will be triggered, and the given waste is biodegradable, this particular motor will be triggered. And all this happens with the help of the camera, which captures the input of captures the picture of the object which is being placed on the surface, and it sends the image to Heroku Cloud. In Heroku Cloud, we have deployed a machine learning model with which we predict whether the given waste is biodegradable or not. And other than that, so we'll attach all the working videos for biodegradable and non-biodegradable at the end, and you can refer that. Various components, I will repeat again, are servo motor and HX711 module, which recognize the weight, and all these are controlled by Raspberry Pi. And two other dustbins have been added just in case if the given waste is pops out of the given area of the dustbin. So that's it. You can refer all the example videos in the upcoming section. Thank you. Seen some examples for how our product works for different kinds of waste. I also want to say that you may notice some amount of delay time while classifying the object is because the model has been deployed in Heroku, and it takes some amount of time to get back the result from the cloud. So that's the reason. And you will see the software implementation of this now. Thanks.
Now I'm going to explain the web UI of a web page of application. I used Node.js to receive the data from the cloud, which was sent by the trash can, to show and display the data to the user of the application or the concerned authority. As you can see, when the server is up and loaded, it shows the list of all the wastes that have been thrown in the trash, along with their classes, timestamp, weight, probability. And the user and the authorities can also concerned authorities can also view the image of each waste which was captured by the camera. As you can see here, the first waste in our list is an apple, which is a biodegradable waste. It has been correctly classified along with its concerned data being sent. Second waste is a plastic Tupperware bottle, which is obviously non-biodegradable because it's plastic. Then we have an onion, which is biodegradable, and has been correctly classified. And last we have the Fevicol, which is non-biodegradable and has been classified as such. Thank you.